this is Ola with Sewing Machines Plus, and I'm here to tell you all about a new event that's coming to San Diego. It's called Original Thread Painting. Now, this is for all of our customers that have been asking for more quilting events. Original Thread Painting is with Joyce Hughes, an award-winning quilter, and she's going to come teach us all about how to do dimensional thread painting. It's only $129 for a 2-day event. She'll be in San Marcos May 29th through the 30th and San Diego May 31st through June 1st. She'll teach you all about that on one of our Baby Lock domestic quilting machines, just like this crescendo. We'll be working on crescendos, arias, and sopranos, and you'll be making a one-of-a-kind piece. She'll teach you more also about free motion quilting and overlay application and much more than that. We hope to see you there if you want to come, and I hope you do, because it's going to be it's a great new event that we're excited to bring you. Sign up online or call one of our stores. Hope to see you there, and stay sewing, San Diego.
Purchase your new machine today by visiting SewingMachinesPlus.com or by visiting one of our retail locations.